Hello everyone, welcome back to the Mandarin Pronunciation Series. This is Yan 老师. We have covered all the consonants in previous episodes. Now we are moving into compound vowels. Today we have 8 compound vowels. Before we start, one rule that applies to all of them. In English, when 2 vowels combine, one usually dominates. In Mandarin, both sounds carry equal weight. Keep that in mind as we go through each one. Let's start. This is I. Think of the word I. Start with a, open mouth wide. Then glide into e, lips pull to the sides. I, and faster. I. Remember the equal weight rule. Don't let the a swallow the e. I, like I love. This is the A. Let's try it. Say A and E, these 2 English letters rapidly. A. That quick sequence is very close to Mandarin. A, like gay, to give. This is the way. Here is something important. What you see written as UI is actually a shortened form of UEI, the full format of these 3 letters together. But in everyday pinyin, the in the middle gets swallowed and is written as way. Think of the English word way by starting with the rounded lips, like way. 对. This is the owl. Think of the owl sound in cow. Start with a, open your mouth wide, and then gradually glide to o. Ow, like how. This is the o. Think of the o in go, but rounder and fuller. Start with o, with your lips rounded o. Then glide into u. O. One more time. O. 走. This is the U. Just like way, this is a shortened form. What you see written as IU here is actually IOU. The O in the middle gets swallowed, written as just IU, U. Let's try it one more time. You, 六. This is a ye. Think of the word ye for yes, but hold a little longer. Ye. Start with e, lip spread, then glide into a. Ye. Pay attention. The e here in ye is not the same neutral we have seen before. It's brighter and more open, closer to the e in bed. Here's an example. 写. This is 约. Combines with u and e. 约. From the u position, slightly to the e position. Remember, after G, Qi, Xi, or E, the U loses the dots. 学. Before we review, let's make sure the hidden vowel rule is clear. 2 of today's vowels are shortened in everyday pinyin. We and U. The E and O get swallowed. They are written short but spoken full. Let's hear them all with their example words. I. 给. 对. 好. 走. 六. 写. 学. Now, let's practice with a tongue twister. 我爱学习。我爱学习，也爱写字。我爱学习，也爱写字。写对了，才算学会了。That's episode 9. 3 things to remember. Number 1, equal weight. Both sounds matter equally. Number 2, we and you, the middle vowel is hidden in writing, but spoken in speech. Number 3, the e in ye and yue is brighter than the regular e. In the next episode, we will cover more compound vowels. Enjoy your study. See you in the next episode. 再见。